What would the world be like if there weren't pretty girls? I wonder what that would be like.
The realization that gender organizes everything when it seems not to. It was like realizing that the Matrix exists or something.
There's a lot of, if I'm not smiling, telling you to smile, which really pisses me off. A lot of times it'll be said with something like, it's a waste of a pretty face. And I think it just really gets to the root of this thing of feeling like part of your worth is to be looked at.
There are certain things that are pretty small things that I know probably might be different, right? You play that game with yourself.
I literally feel like I'm serving a purpose sometimes.
The way things are actually have